Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. Eyes Across Jamaica has received a video of an alleged kidnapping attempt of a woman that was intercepted by the police and 3 men were arrested.
Watch my ball. Yeah, got jail, boy. Yeah, got jail. Jaja City. What? I'm more one of them. About 4 of them. Or 3. Jaja City. Jaja City. Yo! Hey man, real life, gonna say, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. Boy, I got prison. You got jail. The poor man car. Hey, man, hey. Oh, monster! Man, them said, down for your knees. Hey, boy, and for your... Hey, boy. Yo! Why me never... A good thing, me never drive the Honda. Jaja City. Boss, you can't wait. Chaos and pandemonium, as the great Darrow G would say. Yo, oh, and it's not ugly park. More lines road you went then. Yes, officer, look for the next one in there. Garfield.
Swift action of the police led to the arrest of a 17-year-old boy in connection with threats issued to the police via phone call, demanding the release of a prisoner and over $2 million cash. The child was arrested in Manchester less than 24 hours after the threats were made.
Must be freed from jail within the next 24 hours. Now, mechanic section now. $2 million must be placed down. So when we enter a station there, when we enter Freeport Station, $2 million must be sitting and waiting when we enter.
Okay.
And if you want to know who this come from, tell them it come from Ricardo little brother. Tell him it come from Ricardo little brother from Sparta gang. Because since you don't think so now, bother and not this and whatnot. Tell him say to come from Ricardo little brother from Sparta gang.
So by when that $2 million put on?
You must put on within 24 hours. If you don't put on, remember me tell her someone police are gonna dead. I mean dead by just shoot. I tell us they gonna torture and we're gonna make a video and we're gonna post it up.
We now move to On the Brighter Side. Shane Dunstan, 23, has his sights set on designing and making his own line of cars. The only thing in his way is getting the training he so desperately needs. He has already started on his journey by making miniature cars in his community of Simon and Rock River, Clarendon. He wowed the news team as he showed off his creations recently.
I was driving them, so normally I would draw them, but I just decided to make them. I wanted to make the real ones, but I don't have the resources and the material, so I made the little model ones. They are made of wood, plywood and Solitex, and the plastic that you see here is the power energy drink, adrenaline power energy drink. That's the bottle that I used to make this, the blue bottle. And you can see the label of the drink right here. I get the bulbs from flashlight, and the wheel now I made it from the plastic pipe, and the tires I made from the bicycle tire. The music, I get a boombox circuit board and put in my dashboard, and can connect the phone to it. And the speaker now is in here for this one, and this one speaker is in the trunk.
So you're able to use the phone to drive the car?
Yes, sir.
And you're able to operate a sound system from out of the car?
Yes, sir. Or you get the phone to drive it. The music box, I connect the part where the sound comes out of it. And like when you start playing music, the speaker, you know, the speaker always, it can go in or out. So when the music starts play on the speaker, I have a small speaker where when it go out, I connect a wire on it and put a long piece across to it. So when you go up, you connect to it. And then that is an electric switch that I create. The motor, for this one I get out of a remote car, but the wood is too heavy for it, so I have to upgrade it. I have to join two motors together and put two bigger magnets on it. And this one is an electric gel battery. It should be fast enough that I have to run it down, but the battery I only have, it can take 20, it should get 20 volt, but I can give it 30, but you only have turn off a 5 volt.
What type of battery?
Phone battery. For the rough road, well, if it in real life, like you're going to the country area, like the town road, it can drop low, but if you're going into the country area, I can carry it up.
Hydraulics and all?
Yes.
Alright, so there's 33 at the back. What is that?
Oh, it shows the percentage of every battery that is in it. So it is low now. I wanted to attend Jagas to build motor vehicles and other stuff. Because I wanted to make the real ones. I wanted to make new models of vehicles. But I don't have the resources. If I could get to go to a school that do robotics engineering, that would be a big help for me. Because the reason why I wanted to make motor vehicles is because Jamaica don't make those stuff, and I wanted Jamaica to at least make motor vehicles.